So let's continue. Let me copy this. This is gonna be date icon. Okay, and this is gonna be edit date. Okay, let me remove these stats right here. This is not a paragraph. Okay, let me remove them. Now let's save. Okay, so this is better. Also gonna have another one, which is gonna be refresh share attachments. Okay, I actually don't know what this is for. I'm just like copying what Facebook has. Refresh share attachment. Okay, and the icon is gonna be refresh icon, like that. Okay, so this is better. We're gonna have another one, which is gonna be also when the post is yours, which is gonna be moved to archive or archive. Just sometimes French slips out. So move to archive. Okay, this is gonna be archive icon. Okay, like this. And the last one is gonna be if you wanna remove the post, so this is gonna be moved to trash. So move to trash, and this is gonna be move to trash. The icon is gonna be trash icon. Okay, and this is gonna have, okay, we see this is gonna have a subtitle also, so let's add the subtitle, and the subtitle is gonna be items in your trash are deleted after 30 days. Okay, like this. Okay, so now we have it. So this is like the form menu for this. Now let's go and create like I created a new user, and let's create a post from another user so we can see how it's gonna look. So I open this one. This is like for a new user. Let me just open this. Let me create a post like with a certain image or something. So in the desktop, let me just go right here. Hala Madrid. Okay, Hala Madrid. Let me post this. Okay, the same thing we've done before is gonna happen automatically. And now let me refresh. We're gonna work on refreshing directly, but just for now. And as you see, this is my post. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so this problem is still here. Okay, so I'm gonna look for that later. I'm gonna fix that. I don't know what's happening here. Okay, so now as you see, this is here. Now if I go back right here and refresh, I'm gonna have a new post that is not mine, which is gonna be this new post from this random user. Okay, and as you see right here, I can save it, download it, and enter for screen. There is something missing right here. Let me just go back. Let me just see what it is, which is gonna be report post. Okay, so let's do that. So I didn't have it, so we can go right here, and this is gonna be when you are not the user. Okay, so that means the test is wrong, so that means it's false. So there is no test, like this. Okay, I don't want to show it all the time. That's not gonna show for the when it's your post. Okay, and this is not gonna be this one. Let me just, this is gonna be report icon. I actually don't know. Okay, so let me just make sure where it is, because I actually don't know what it is. So okay, so it's gonna be an image, not an icon. And then let me just show you. We're gonna go 3 times up, and then the icons folder, and then it's report.png, and the title is gonna be reports post. Okay, and the subtitle is gonna be I'm concerned. Okay, I don't know if I'm concerned, this is right. And then about this post, like this. Okay, so this is gonna show only when the post is not yours. Okay, so you can't report your own post. Okay, so also if you back right here, there is something that we forgot, which is the turn on notification for this post, and also we're gonna have this line right here. Okay, so that's gonna be achievable easy. So before that, we can add the line. Okay, and now we're gonna have the line. Also we're gonna work on that. So that's only gonna be showing for the post when it's not yours, so it's gonna be before download. Okay, and this is gonna be an image, it's gonna be an icon, and it's not gonna have any subtitles, I believe. So okay, it doesn't have any subtitle. Okay, and let me just remove that. So the icon is gonna be turn on notification icon. Okay, so there's typos right here, turn on notification icon. Let me just make sure. So okay, actually I don't know. Let me just go back right here and do it the easy way. Inspect, just like let's see it. Okay, so let me just copy that, go back right here, and then paste it. Okay, and now we have it. Okay, so turn on notification icon, and this is gonna be, the text is gonna be turn on notifications for this post. Okay, so now we have it. Now also we can work on like show and hiding this. So we can go back to the post. Let me create a new state. So this is gonna be visible for what? I forgot for this one. So I'm just add another one. Let's call it show menu. Okay, this is gonna be show menu, and this is gonna be set show menu, like that. And then when show menu is true, then we're gonna show this icon right here, or this post menu. So let me just put everything inside here. So now it's gonna disappear, and we only want to control that when we click like on this button right here. Okay, which is gonna be, let me go up. It's gonna be in the header, which is gonna be this right. Where is it? So this one, this post header right, which is this button right here. So we're gonna do it right here. So on click, and simply gonna set show menu to true, or probably we're gonna use it to take the previous value and change it to the opposite. So you can toggle, so you can click and it's gonna open, click and hide. Okay, and also when we click outside to hide this, so we can go back to the menu exactly, and then we can have a reference. So let me remove this console log. Let's have a reference. We've done this before. So menu go use ref, it's gonna be null. Let me remove that. Okay, so we can reference the post menu. I can just call function use on click outside, use on click. Okay, probably we don't have it, so let me import it. Let me just get it from, which is gonna be, okay, so let me just remember the name, use on click outside. Again, it's gonna be from here. Let me just see. So it's gonna be from helpers, and it's gonna be from the click outside. Okay, let me just see if it's true. Okay, so it's right. Then we can just call it and pass the reference, which is the menu, and then an arrow function. That's all it does, it just set. So let me just pass it. So this one we're gonna pass it, which is the set show menu. We're gonna pass it also, go back right here and get it from the function itself, which is right here in the props, and simply set this to false. Now if I click outside, it's gonna hide. So open, click outside, hide. Okay, so I feel like now everything is working for the menus. Every menu is gonna be different than the other, and if we forgot something and we need to do it, we simply can do it again. It's not a problem. Okay, well, also this line, that's good, I remember it. So if we go back right here, so for the line, okay, so we don't have the line right here. Okay, so that's also, we can fix that easily. You can go back right here and go to that line, and this is only going to be showing when the test is false. Okay, so this is not going to show right now, and only going to show when we click here. It's going to be right. Okay, and when you click right here, for example, this is shows, and I click right here, this is open this, but also close the other one. Okay, so that's also very important. So now we've done with like the structure of the menu, and then we're going to come to the functions of